Hi there, welcome to part 3 of the series. Your short is done, now it's time to post it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to manually export your short from CapCut and upload it to YouTube as a short, so it shows up in the Shorts feed and gets seen. Make sure to watch this video all the way through first, then come back and follow the steps one by one. Let's do this together. How to manually upload a CapCut short to YouTube. 1. Export your video from CapCut. Tap the export button in the top right corner. Make sure your video is vertical, 9:16, and under 60 seconds to qualify as a short. Upload the video to YouTube. Open the YouTube app. Tap the plus sign, plus at the bottom center of the screen. Tap short, click the box labeled Add at the bottom left of the screen. Select your exported video from your gallery. Tap Next. Then tap the check mark to continue. 3. Add your title, set visibility, and schedule. Add a catchy title. Include numerous shorts and up to 2 more relevant hashtags to help it get picked up in the feed. Tap visibility and choose public, unlisted, or private. If you want to schedule the video, tap schedule, then set your date and time. Select your audience. This part is required. Choose whether the video is made for kids or not. 4. Add a related video. Scroll down and tap Add related video. Choose one of your recent uploads or a video that matches the theme. This helps keep viewers on your channel longer by suggesting more of your content after they watch your short. 5. Upload your short. Tap Upload and wait for the video to finish processing. Go to your channel and make sure the video shows up in the short section, not under regular videos. If it's vertical and under 60 seconds, it should show up there automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload your short manually to YouTube. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And to all my Pookie Wookiees out there, don't forget to tag me in your edits. I would love to see them and show my support.